Hello, my name is Vilsi. My register number is URK1144. I'll be explaining Big Data Experiment 3. Uh, Screen sharing it. So this is the code for Experiment 3. From PySpark import Spark context means we are importing Spark context and creating a Spark context called sc.spark context, which is the entry point to Spark. It connects your program to the Spark runtime. So local run Spark locally on your machine. In a cluster, you would pass a different master like Yarn or Spark. Always we have to stop the context at the end where we have mentioned sc.stop. Here we have given data is this and we are parallelizing it. That means we create a Python list data and parallelize it to form an RDD. RDD.parallelize distributes the collection across the Spark workers. So RDD is resident distributed data set. At this point, the data is an RDD object, so no computation yet. Then here we are given, here we chain the transformations to compute word counts and filter frequent words. Transformations are lazy, they only build the execution plan. So it will be like first we are flat mapping it, first we are flattening it, then we are mapping it from word to key, and then when we are flattening the input line into words and flattening the result into a one big stream of words. So logically, all these three lists will be Spark broken is at the second word, fast is third word, Spark is the fourth word. So it will be broken separately. And then map lambda word comma one. So it will convert each word into a word comma one pair, preparing for counting. Then reduce by key is lambda a comma b a plus b groups values by key and sums counts. It actually performs the shuffle under the hood. So output example is spark comma 3 is comma 3 fast comma 1. Filter lambda x bracket 1 is greater than 1. So keeps only words whose count is greater than 1. Then retrieval actions here. Now we call actions. Actions trigger execution and return results to the driver program. So collect returns all elements from RDD to the driver as a list. So for our data, it will give all the words here. Take bracket 5, it will return the first 5 elements. Take sample false comma 4 returns 4 random elements without replacement. Take ordered 5 returns the smallest 5 elements by ordering, so lexicographic order by default. Top 5 it returns the largest 5 elements by ordering. First is returns the first element, and is empty checks if the RDD has any elements. So it is very similar to stack. Then for each action, here this is the for each action. So for each applies a function to each element on the worker executor side. In cluster mode, the print inside for each prints on worker logs. It may not appear in your driver std out. In local mode, you will see prints, but the order is not guaranteed. Um, Here we are calculating the word length. So count is total number of elements is 11 in this example. And count by value returns a map of elements. So that is a frequency. Reduce lambda a comma b a plus b after map lambda x colon 1. So that means here we've given it. So totals the number of words. So this is another way to count. Fold 0 similar to reduce but takes a 0 value and uses associative combiner useful in distributed reductions. Then we have this step. So just yeah. So aggregate result is words dot aggregate and lambda ACC1, ACC2. So aggregate lets you combine elements using a per partition sequence operation and a cross partition combiner. So here we compute total length, total count, and divide to get average word length. So math with our data is words and length. So Spark 5 is 2, fast 4, Spark 5 again. So total length is 42, count is 11. So average we can say 3.81. Then we are stopping the Spark here. Uh, yeah, so we are getting output here as well. As we said, count is 11 and the average will be 3.81. And total word count is 11, fold is 11. So, yeah, this is all for experiment 3. Thank you.